Hey everyone, I'm Didi Patel from Top Data Coach, welcoming you all to the fifth session of our free SQL course. Today we'll be covering the basics of sorting and limiting results in MySQL. These are essential tools for organizing your data efficiently. So let's get started. Before I tell you how to apply sorting in MySQL, you need to understand what is sorting. Sorting is the process of arranging items in a specific order, usually to make them easier to find or analyze. For example, you might sort a list of names alphabetically, or numbers from smallest to largest, or dates from earliest to latest. What is this? Sorting. Sorting can be done in ascending order, but the values increase, like A to Z or 1 to 10. Or it can be in descending order where values decrease, like Z to 8 or from 10 to 1. So now we know that sorting is an important feature in MySQL when you want to arrange your data in a specific order. In MySQL, sorting is done using the order by clause, whose syntax is as shown in the figure. Order by clause allows you to arrange the rows in your query results based on one or more columns. Please notice that it only arranges the records in query results, not the records in the table. So, the records in the table will not be affected by sorting. It will only be applied to the result set of the select query. Let's understand this practically. Today also I am using the world database, but instead of working on country table, today I'll be working on the city table. So let's just display all the records from city table. And as we all know that there are total 4039 records in the city table, so it will take a while for displaying all the records. Now here you can see that the records are neither sorted by the city names or by the country codes. See this. Neither the city name nor the country code are in sorted order, but they are sorted based on this ID. Okay. So now let's apply the order by clause on the name field and check what will be the difference in the query result. So select star from city, order by clause, and as I said, I have to mention the field name, which is name, semicolon and enter. As you can see, now the records are not sorted based on the ID, but it is sorted based on the name of the city. If you have noticed that the city names are sorted alphabetically, that is from A to Z. This is because by default SQL sorts the records in ascending order. But if you want to sort the records in descending order, you can do it just by specifying descending keyword. Now let's display the same records in descending order. Select star from city, order by. I am applying the sorting on the same field, but this time I am mentioning the descending keyword to sort the records in descending order. Now you can see that the records are displayed in descending order. So this was order by clause on a text field. Now let's apply the order by clause on the numeric field. In the city table we have population, which is a numeric field. Select star from city order by population. Now you can see that the records are sorted based on the population in ascending order, that is from smaller to larger value of population. You can apply the descending order as well. Try out and let me know. Now, as I have mentioned earlier, order by clause can be applied on more than one fields. Let's try out the same. So select star from city order by clause. Now first I want to sort them based on country code, comma as a separator when you have to mention more than one record, and then by population, semicolon. So now what will happen? The records will be sorted based on the country code, as you can see here, and the records for which the country codes are same, they will be sorted based on the value of the second field, and that is population. For example, I am having here 6 to 7 records with the country code ZMB for Zimbabwe. Now you can see this records are first sorted based on the country code and then on the population, both in ascending order. You can check the ID and the city name. They are not sorted, but the records are sorted based on the country code and the population. Now in the previous example, we kept both the country code sorting and the population sorting in ascending order. If you want, you can use different sorting order for different columns as well. So select star from city order by. I want to keep the country code sorting in ascending order, comma population in descending order. So after the population field name, I will mention PESC, semicolon, and enter. So now the records are in ascending order of country codes, and when the records are having the same country code, they will be arranged in descending order of population. Now let's check for the same Zimbabwe. Now here you can see it is in descending order. Country code ascending order, population descending order for the same country codes. So this is how order by works for more than one field. Now you can combine order by with where clause as well. So let us try out that as well. Select star from city where country code equals to IND. I want to display the cities of country India only. That's why I have kept the country code value as India. Then I have to write down order by clause, population in descending order. You can see the records are having the country code IND only, and they are sorted based on the population value in descending order. So this is how you combine order by clause with where clause. I hope it is clear to you. Do let me know if you have any queries in the comment section. Now let's talk about limiting your results. Sometimes you don't need to see all the data, just a portion of it. Then the limit clause is used. It allows you to control how many rows are returned by your query. This is useful when you are working with large data sets and only want to focus on the top entries. For example, the top 10 highest scores or top 10 highest population. Let me apply limit on the city table. So select start from city, limit 10. So this will show me the first 10 records of the city table. Here it is. If I want to view say 20 records, I can make it 20. Now you can make best use of limit by combining it with order by. You can say that order by and limit are best friends. I'm not joking, but let me explain you this with an example. Select star from city. I'm also applying the where condition, where country code equals to IND, order by population in descending order, that is from highest to lower, and I am limiting the record to 1 only. Can you guess what I am going to get? See this. I have got the city from India with the highest population. Now how I made it possible? Simple. I have kept the condition country code as India to select all the cities from India. Then I have sorted them based on the population in descending order. So the first record will have the highest population and I have limited it to first record only. So Mumbai is the city of India with the highest population. Isn't this magical? So now you agree that I was right. Order by and limit are best friends. To recap, today we covered how to use order by to sort your data and limit to restrict the number of rows returned. These are basic but powerful tools that will make your SQL queries more efficient. In our next session, we will look at updating and deleting data in SQL. I hope you found this session helpful. If you did, please subscribe to Top Data Code channel for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, keep querying. Bye.